Why buy Rakis when you can make such beautiful Rakis at home? You can easily customize the size. If you are making it for a big brother, go for this size. Or if you want to make this for a little one like this, then go for this size. I'll explain everything in detail on how you can easily customize the size. So stay tuned till the end of the video and let's get started. It is very easy to customize this pattern. This is size L, this is M, and this is S. I will mention all the key changes you need to make in the text overlays here. So follow along. So for this tutorial, I am taking cotton yarn. This is weight 3 cotton yarn in 2 colors. With that, I am taking 2.5mm crochet hook, a small amount of glue, some pearls like this and some beads like this. This is completely optional. You can decorate however you want. You can use cylindrical beads, you can use bead beads, wooden beads. This is completely up to you. You can decorate your Rakhi however you want. And the small hook is to insert the bead inside the yarn. And don't forget to keep a scissor handy. Today I am demonstrating this big size here. So we will first start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. Take this end and twist it once and then fold it. You can see this is the tail, this is the working yarn. Slowly pull the working yarn outside. After that, make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After making 8 chains, insert your hook in the very first chain you made. So this is the very first chain we made. Yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this creates a tiny circle like this. So now we will work on this circle. After slip stitching, make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This 3 chain does not count as your first double crochet. So we will make 18 double crochet inside this circle. So to make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside this circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. So this completes 1 double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook inside this circle. Don't forget to hide this tail while you work. So just keep it on top of your hook. And then yarn over. You have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2. Yarn over and pull through the next 2. So I just made 2 double crochets. Similarly, make 16 more double crochets and then I'll show you what to do. I made 18 double crochets and now you can see this is the first double crochet we made. On top, you can see this chain here. There, we will make a slip stitch. After that, we will make 1 chain. And then, in the same stitch here. So, this is where we just made our slip stitch. So, in the same stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And now again make 1 chain. You can see the chain gap on top of the next double crochet. So there insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Again make 1 chain. Into the next stitch make a slip stitch. So repeat the same around and then I'll show you how to complete this. You can see I made chain 1, slip stitch around and I just need to make the last slip stitch here. So before that make 1 chain and into the last stitch here insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the yarn and now we will cut this tail because this is the tail of the magic ring. We hid it while we work, so we will cut this yarn and then we will hide this tail. So take a big eye needle, insert your yarn and just pass through the adjacent loops. just trim out the excess yarn here. So this completes one circle. Now take the second color, make a slip knot, and again make 8 chains. After making 8 chains, pull up a lengthy loop, insert this tail inside this loop and pull it like this. And now insert your hook in the very first chain we made. So this is the first chain we made in this color. So insert there and make a slip stitch. And now we have this circle here. We will do the same thing like we did here. So we will make 18 double crochets first. So for that, make 3 chains. After making 3 chains, we will make double crochets, 18 double crochets inside this circle. So for that, yarn over, insert your hook. Don't forget to hide this tail while you work. So keep it on top of your hook, yarn over and make a double crochet. So similarly, make total 18 double crochets. So when you reach here, so just pull it like this and you can work around the circle. You can see I made 18 double crochets, and now as usual on top of this first double crochet we have a chain gap here. There we will make a slip stitch. Now trim out this excess yarn here. This is the tail of the magic ring. And now we will make border just like we did here. For that, make one chain into the same chain gap, make a slip stitch. Again make one chain into the next chain, slip stitch. Pull this like this and repeat the same around, and when you come to the end I'll let you know what to do. So you can see I made chain 1 slip stitch around. Just trim the yarn and pull the yarn like this. Now weave this tail as trim the excess yarn. Now we will make this tie. So for that, take this yarn, make chains. So this is completely up to you. You can make as many chains as you want. So for this size I made 60 chains. So if you want your Rakhi to be a little lengthier, you can go ahead and make 70-80 chains. This is completely up to you. So make as many chains as you want. I made 60 chains, and now cut the yarn. Slowly remove the hook. Take a small needle like this. Take a bead, a pearl, a bead. Insert it like this. So now we will insert the Rakhi. For that, insert your needle here. Take this and just pull the yarn. And now insert your hook here and just pull the same yarn to this side. Now insert bead and pearl this side. If your bead size is smaller, if you don't have a small hook like this, then take a small thread like this, any thread which is thinner. Take this and keep it like this. So you can see like this. Now insert your bead. Arrange them before inserting how you just pull it. Now we will make this tassel. So to make this tassel, we need 3 strands of yarn like this and one lengthy yarn for each side. And now insert your hook in the first chain here and pull this 3 yarn like this, and then take this lengthy yarn, keep it under, make 1 or 2 knots, so just like this. And now take all the yarns together and trim it like this. So this creates the tassel. Repeat the same this side. Insert this 3 strands and then tie it with this one. And now we will add this pearl here. Take small amount of glue, place the pearl. So this completes the Rakhi. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please take 2 seconds of your time to hit that like button. I'm still a new YouTuber figuring things out. So a small gesture from you will help me a lot. And if you have any suggestions for improvement, please drop them in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.